So within the P&L, within the departmental P&L, there's no configuration. It sets up in Sage 50. It's automatically pulls out the departments and populates this dashboard. So this is something that we can provide to you easily out of the box through the marketplace. The cost of it is £10 a month. So in this example, we've got departments set up as the main departments. So that would be probably Department 0 for general expenses, general non-classified. We've then got administration, marketing, distribution, and then some sales areas and sales numbers through to even sort of website production. Right through to warehouse and retail, etc. So there's quite a lot of departments here that can be analysed. Our usual P&L functions where you can expand out categories. So this is going from a heading into a category, into a subcategory, and then you can then further expand that out into individual nominals. Here, so and then you can actually then right click and drill into any number. So if you said you wanted to go and see what was in there, you can right click on any number at either header level or individual nominal code level and show transactions, and that will bring up a window of those transactions. So if I right click on there, show transactions, it will then go through and pull through all the underlying transactions. It tells you their status as well, if they've been paid or not paid. So and then you can export that into Excel, CSV, or exit and go back to where you were. The departmental P&L is incredibly powerful. It pulls all that information through automatically without the need to do anything. If you wanted to exclude certain departments, you can do that up here. So you could filter just for a few different ones. So if I did that, I just wanted a departmental just for those departments. So again, you might want to group up, for example, I've done it on this one, but you might have grouped up those salespeople. So let me just go back onto here and then go, I just want to look at my sales areas here, just set up as departments. And Wales and West Midlands, hit apply. So I've now selected 9 areas. That'll trim that report right down to just those 9 sales areas. So there, now you've got a complete picture of your sales by individual region, if that's how you've set up inside Sage.